Hey, what's going on, digital investors? Hope you guys are all having a great day today. Today, I want to talk to you guys about Chainlink and a couple other things. One of those couple other things is this: 7 years of Bitcoin savings wiped out when investor falls for phishing scam. This story was it was kind of hard to read. It really sucks. I really feel for the guy who lost his crypto. So I want to bring this story to you guys so you guys can please make sure that you don't lose your crypto. Please make sure you don't get hacked. I also will show you guys why blue chip cryptocurrencies parabola is approaching a brutal end. So this is about Link and Link's meteoric rise that it's had. It's risen over 2,000%, and why some analysts are calling for its end. So we're gonna go into this. Let's see. A lot of people want to buy into Link. A lot of people are actively buying Link. Now, I just want to look into what a couple analysts say of whether or not it's the right time. I'm also a Link holder, full disclosure. We'll also look at the price. We'll look at the fear and greed index. We are having a little bit of a dump right now currently as I record this, so we'll see what happens. But let's just start off here, guys. And hey, if you guys could like the video, I would appreciate that so much. If at any point during this video you feel as if you've received value, any support you choose to give is greatly appreciated. So 7 years of Bitcoin savings wiped out when investor falls for a phishing scam. The Protocol podcast host Eric Savix is the latest victim of a Bitcoin phishing scam after using a malicious version of a hardware wallet app. In a tweet posted on Friday, Savix revealed that he lost 7 years worth of his Bitcoin savings when he downloaded a fake desktop KeepKey Bitcoin wallet plugin from the Google Chrome store. Savix entered his recovery phrase when the app prompted him to, unaware that it was a crypto phishing scam. The recovery phrase acts as the master key that unlocks the funds in a wallet. Savix says the cyber thieves immediately cleaned out his balance. Savix later spotted a telltale sign that he had downloaded was a fake app, but it was already too late. Eric Voorhees, CEO of crypto exchange Shapeshift, which operates the KeepKey wallet, says he feels sorry for Savix and urges others to be more vigilant in safeguarding their Bitcoin. So here's a tweet from Eric Savix at EricSavix1 on Twitter. He says, "I had all of my Bitcoin stolen from me in a hardware wallet phishing scam. Has anyone ever successfully retrieved stolen Bitcoin? Any help or guidance would be appreciated." At Eric Voorhees replied, I'm very sorry to hear this, Eric. To anyone reading, do not enter your seed phrase into anything malicious and assume everything is malicious by default, which I think is great advice, guys. If you just assume everything is malicious and everything is a scam and everything is a phish, then when you're getting these emails, you can actually, if you're looking at it from that mindset, you will more easily spot out whether or not they're scams. Whereas if you're very trusting, then it's hard to look. When you're very trusting of things, it's hard to see what's wrong with them because you're going with the intention that it's trustworthy. Whereas if you're going in with the intent that of, hey, this might be malicious, you're gonna find red flags more often. So you have to have that type of mindset with crypto. No email is your friend. You have to be very vigilant. So he says, "I had all my Bitcoin stolen in a hardware wallet phishing scam. I built up my position over 7 years. I was planning on using it to buy an apartment. I know whoever has my BTC will likely never see this video. Nonetheless, below is my plea." And he basically, just goes on to say that he's been building up his position for over 7 years, and that's longer than I have. I haven't been in cryptocurrencies for 7 years. So to hear about someone who has been here for 7 years, I mean, they've been able to buy Bitcoin at prices I wish I could have bought at. Who knows the position side he had, all the hard work that goes into it to have all of that lost. I mean, I really feel for the guy. It's really sad. He does have a video if you guys want to watch the video. I'm not going to play it here because I basically just summarized it, but anyways, Shapeshift earlier warned of fraudulent KeepKey apps in the Chrome store, telling users that the exchange never asks anyone to key in their 12-word seed phrase. He says it is essential to use either of the two official software clients for your KeepKey, the Shapeshift platform or the KeepKey Chrome client. Guys, please safeguard your crypto. And when I say that, I mean, make sure you're not falling for phishing emails like this. But even beyond that, make sure your crypto isn't sitting on an exchange. You don't want to leave your crypto on an exchange, especially, hey, maybe you only have a couple $1,000s worth of crypto now. But if you're anticipating that crypto to be worth, I don't know, maybe a couple $100,000, maybe you're investing $20,000, $30,000 and you're expecting to possibly have 7 figures worth of crypto in the long run, you might want to treat it as such. If you think your crypto is going to be worth hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars, please treat it like it's going to. And what I mean by that is get your crypto off the exchanges, Get your crypto off hot wallets. I wouldn't even put my crypto on a Ledger or Trezor. For crypto that I want to really save, I don't keep my crypto on a Ledger, which is an unpopular opinion, right? Everybody says Ledger is the safest, and I do have a Ledger. I thought Ledger was the safest. At one point, I had all my crypto on a Ledger, and then once I realized that Ledgers were actually hackable and they have a history of being hacked, I got my crypto off there very quick, and a lot of people don't know that. A lot of people aren't aware that your crypto isn't completely safe on a Ledger, and people have been hacked on Ledger before. So to me, the best way that you can store your crypto is completely offline on your own cold wallet. It has to be your own cold wallet. I wouldn't go through any type of third party for long-term crypto holding. If you're staking or something, that's different, but I'm talking about your long-term bags. Like, you have a couple Bitcoin that you don't plan on selling for 10 plus years. Don't keep it anywhere. Like, I would keep it only somewhere where you know. So in a cold wallet, have your seed phrase written down. Better yet, have your seed phrase engraved onto steel and in a fireproof safe so nobody can get to it. All right. Anyways, guys, I hope that helps. I hope none of you have been scammed. I personally have been scammed before. I've been scammed out of about $4,000 worth of Bitcoin a couple of years ago. So I know the feeling. It sucks. And you just got to bounce back. But man, I can't imagine building a position over 7 years and having all of it stolen. That really sucks. Anyways, guys, Bitcoin is dumping as we speak. It's not a huge dump. I know I say dumping, but it's just having a little bit of a retracement. It's down at 9,300. Ethereum at 235. XRP at 19 cents. Let's see if we get down to, high 18 cents today. Litecoin at 44. Cardano at 7. Chainlink at 399. So Chainlink is coming down a bit. VeChain at 0087. Our BATs at 22 cents. Our Thetas at 23. So yeah, just everything a little bit down today. Fear and greed index is at 40, so despite things going down, it's up a little bit. Well, actually, this thing next updates in an hour. I would bet just a little bet that if Bitcoin stays in this little dump, I think we'll move down on the fear and greed index a little bit. I just don't see how it wouldn't. And here's a chart, guys. As you guys can see, I don't know if any of you guys are dollar cost averaging or anything like that, but good buying opportunities, guys. We're still so low on these lower bands. If you're dollar cost averaging, you're definitely doing it in the right spot. Definitely don't want to be dollar cost averaging up here in the yellow and red. So if you're DCAing down in this blue, down in these lower bands, you're pretty good. If you guys could like the video, that would help out so much. And if you like daily cryptocurrency news, consider subscribing to The Digital Investor. We're all digital investors here, investing into digital assets, and I bring you guys the daily news of what's going on. Any support that you choose to give to the channel is greatly appreciated. So thank you guys so much. And I want to say thank you guys also for 1,000 subscribers. We've hit 1,000 subscribers, and I think it's been like 3 weeks. So that is absolutely insane. I thought maybe we'd be at 100 subscribers by the end of the month. So to be at 1,000, I mean, all I got to say is thank you guys. This wouldn't be possible without you and all the support that you have been giving me. So I'm excited to continue bringing you guys good content and to bring you guys the latest news that I can find. With that said, let's jump into the Chainlink news, and basically let's see if it's coming to the end of the parabola or if there's more positive price action that could come out of it. So let's see. From the very bottom of Chainlink's 2018 bear market low, the altcoin had an incredible over 2,300% climb to its all-time high price of just over $5 per Link token on the Link USD pair. The cryptocurrency market standout closed 2019 as the industry's top performer, beating Bitcoin, Binance Coin, and a few other winners of the overall bearish year. Chainlink became so popular due to its performance, it was voted the likeliest crypto asset to bring the best performance in 2020, just like the year before. They were right. In March of 2020, the asset set its all-time high price record just ahead of the Black Thursday madness that wiped out cryptocurrency valuations. Chainlink itself got caught up in the chaos, causing prices to flash crash to nearly zero on some exchanges. Bitcoin and other crypto assets also had historic meltdowns, all while stocks, precious metals, and other markets crashed in tandem. The seemingly unstoppable altcoin rebounded nearly to the same level as before, but stopped short of another record, instead setting a lower high and kicking off what might be the start of a brutal distribution and profit taking after 2 years of solid performance. Coinciding with the most recent top in Link USD and Link BTC, each trading pair triggered a TD9 sell signal, according to the highly reliable TD sequential technical analysis indicator created by marketing timing guru Thomas DeMark. The tool has been highly accurate across many years of cryptocurrency market price action, calling many tops and bottoms before the trend changes occurred. The earliest Chainlink investors bought into the asset at just 15 cents under 2 years ago. They are up in their investments still by over 2,000%, despite an almost dollar decline on the Link USD pair. Any of these investors could begin to take profit as the first sign of a sell-off, starting or even completing a distribution phase. Distribution phases, according to the Wyckoff theory, follow accumulations and markup phases and is followed by a markdown phase. This is when asset prices fall to new lows. If you guys are getting lost here, this is kind of getting a little bit technical, but if you're getting lost, I'll try to simplify it in a second here. The final straw breaking the camel's back is the fact that the asset's long-term parabola is about to break down. This parabolic uptrend began nearly 2 years ago at the start of 18. So basically what they're trying to say, guys, is when cryptos are exploding, and these parabolas happen on all cryptos that start going up, even Bitcoin, you basically start to have this parabola, and as you can see, it's basically the momentum shifting up over time, very steeper. It goes steeper and steeper and steeper to the point where we're almost shooting straight up. The point being, though, is that once you're getting to this point where we are shooting straight up, this marks basically towards the end, right? This basically marks towards near the end of the parabola. I mean, could it bounce off here and go up? It for sure could. I would be absolutely amazed if it did. I would be so happy if it did, because like I said, I'm a holder of Link, and it could do that. It could come here, retrace, hit this parabola line, confirm it as support, and go for one more. But it is getting very, very steep, and you have a lot of investors longing Link right now, whereas the best time to long Link would have been more so down here, or even up in here. Instead, you have people longing Link, thinking it's going to continue to rise, but what if this is the end of the parabola? So that's basically what they're trying to say, and these analysts here believe that we are at the end of the parabola. If you ask me what I believe, I'm not sure. I'm not the best technical analyst, and I don't really have an opinion. So as we've learned, they say, by Bitcoin's parabolic advance, when the advance is broken, the asset typically crashes by as much as 80% or more. According to data and performance expectations from industry experts like Peter Brandt, an 80% decline from its all-time high would take the price per Link token to just $1 each. So 80% decline from all-time high would put Link at $1. Guys, if Link went to $1, I'd have a heavy bag of Link, I'll say that. At that level, the asset would likely be reaccumulated before the whole cycle potentially restarts once again. So basically just saying that this may be the end of the Chainlink bull market, and we may be entering into a bear market / reaccumulation phase before we go on the next moonshot up, which might happen with Bitcoin, or it might do its own thing. Maybe Chainlink is more so decoupled than other cryptocurrencies. Who knows? We don't really know what's going to happen. Right now, we know that Bitcoin is correlated with the stock market, and we know that cryptocurrencies are correlated to Bitcoin. But if Bitcoin decouples from the stock market, then what happens with cryptos? Will they also decouple from the stock market? And at what point do they decouple from Bitcoin? So there's too many factors for me to even give any type of idea on what I think is going to happen. What I think is going to happen is that I have no clue, and I'm going to make the best, most educated, logical, non-emotional decisions I can as they come and as they present themselves to me. That said, guys, if you guys liked this video, consider subscribing. Again, we're at over 1,000 subscribers, and I just gotta say thank you guys so much. So if you do subscribe, welcome to the Digital Investor channel, and I look forward to bringing you guys some more content like this. That said, guys, as we know, crypto market's dumping right now. We'll see where it ends up. Try not to get shaken out. Try not to get too emotional. Try not to just stare at your screen all day. You know, get outside, do something, build a business, make some money. Just do something productive. Just don't sit around watching YouTube all day. All right, guys? With all that said, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you all on the next one.